Healing Insomnia Command. This is not an affirmation. This is a reprogramming command spoken out loud so your subconscious can listen and receive. You don't need to repeat it. Just listen. Let it sink in again and again till it becomes part of you. Each command in this series is designed to be absorbed daily for 7 to 21 days, or whenever your system needs a reset. These are not motivational phrases. They are energetic instructions, spoken with authority so your inner structure can align. Find a quiet space. Breathe. Let your subconscious receive. I now command, from my divine right, and from the sovereignty of my being, that all energetic, mental, emotional, and physiological causes of insomnia be fully brought into the light, recognized, and released, with gentleness, clarity, and firmness. I command that all obsessive thoughts, mental restlessness, overanalysis, and agitation before sleep, all hidden fears connected to relaxation, vulnerability, or the loss of control, all old roots of pain and wounds that reactivate in the night, all unprocessed emotions that keep my nervous system on high alert, and all inherited or acquired patterns blocking deep, restorative, peaceful sleep be completely released from my physical, mental, emotional, and energetic body, from all planes and realities of my being. I now command my nervous system to recalibrate into the frequency of sacred calm. I command my mind to quiet easily, naturally, and with trust, and every cell in my body to remember, activate, and sustain the pattern of protective, healing, regenerating sleep. I command my circadian rhythms to align perfectly with the divine intelligence of my body. I command my dreams to become safe, gentle, and healing spaces. I command that all energetic portals open during the night, which do not serve my highest good, be fully closed, cleansed, and sealed. In place of the old patterns, I now command the permanent installation of a new program. Deep, regenerative, sacred sleep, clear stillness in the mind, steady peace in the heart, complete safety, unwavering trust, divine protection, and the total replenishment of my vital energy every night. I command this new program to be installed now, instantly and irrevocably, in all structures of my being, in my DNA, in my subconscious, in my cells, and in all dimensions of time and space. Final seal. I am safe. I am calm. I am supported every night by the forces of divine love. I surrender to rest with trust and gratitude. My sleep is sacred and healing. It has been written. It is done. And so it is.